what HVAC repairs often involve refrigerant work. Air conditioner and heat pump repairs involving leaks, low cooling, frozen coils, compressor problems, or refrigerant replacement often require refrigerant work. Refrigerant work usually starts when a technician checks whether the system has the correct pressure and temperature. If the refrigerant level is low, that often means there is a leak, because refrigerant does not normally get used up like gasoline. Common leak locations include copper tubing, indoor evaporator coils, outdoor condenser coils, and connections near valves. A technician may use electronic detectors, soap bubbles, ultraviolet dye, or nitrogen pressure testing to find the leak. After repairing the damaged part, the technician should remove air and moisture with a vacuum pump before adding the correct refrigerant. This step matters because moisture can create acids inside the system and damage the compressor. An interesting detail is that many newer systems use refrigerants with different pressure and safety requirements, so the type cannot be guessed from the color of a cylinder or hose. Look for the equipment label, ask for the leak location in writing, and request confirmation that the system was tested after the repair. A common mistake is paying for a simple refill without asking why the refrigerant was low, so ask the technician to find and explain the leak. Another mistake is mixing refrigerant types or using the wrong product, which can damage the system and create safety or legal problems, so verify the exact refrigerant listed on the unit label. Some people also assume that ice on the indoor coil proves the system needs refrigerant, but blocked airflow from a dirty filter can cause the same symptom, so have airflow checked before approving refrigerant work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.